Hey y'all, welcome back to Sierra's World. It is, what's today? Friday. This is good morning. Hi. It is Saturday. I mean Friday. Shit, I don't know what day. It's Friday. Yeah, we're headed to Walmart to get Heather doing a little grocery shopping. I gotta get Ellie some milk and pick up they don't got none in there. They should pick up. Oh shit, don't look like it. There goes some. Ooh, over there. I'm on my way right here. But yeah, she gotta do some shopping. And I'm gonna pick up some milk and paper towel, huh? Yeah, cause I ain't gotta get no but milk. And probably one or two more things. And yeah, I'm trying to bed my hands cold. But welcome y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know what this vlog gonna consist of. A little footage in here. They came and did the stuff at the house already. So, but then I get in the tub and it's back messed up. They told me wait 3 days. I waited more than 3 days, and then I get in the shower, trying to move my feet, and paint stuck to my fucking feet, y'all. So pissed. So they're gonna have to come back out and do that. But other than that, look at Heather, y'all. She got her little stuff on. It's cold out here, y'all. It's like 20-something degrees if I'm not mistaken. But I'll be back, y'all. So y'all, I've been back for a minute. Y'all see how they did the back? They took the dang on gate down, and they so cheap they didn't want to put another wood gate. So OCD gonna be on 10 with it. But anyway, my house is a mess. Kieran gonna wash these dishes, cause I just be having too much going on, y'all. Even though I don't like work a regular job, it just be a lot. I think Tim had that pizza. I guess somebody eat that. The stove is dirty. It's just like, but I'm trying to learn like let go of stuff and not just be so nitpicky, which is hard to do, especially if I have like OCD type of tendencies that like just drives me crazy. But I'm working on it. I'm working in progress. But anyway, I'm hungry, y'all. So it's like 3 o'clock. I'm like, dang, I didn't realize it was that late. I think I ate like a pork chop sandwich this morning. That was it. So I found this in the garage. Okay, I had this. So I'm gonna warm this up. It's a cold day, and I'm gonna cook something later on, some chicken. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna cook it later. But for right now, I'm about to eat this chili, and I'm gonna make some cheese toast. I got my pan right here. I'm gonna make some cheese toast in the oven. Something real quick. This bread, I got a loaf up there as well. But I'm gonna make this cheese toast. I'm just gonna put some butter down and stuff. But let me go use the restroom and I'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. But yeah, it's just been kind of hectic a little bit. I don't know if I told y'all I was having like housing repairs done on certain stuff. And that's why they tore the gate down like that. They didn't want to put another wood gate since it's already a smaller gate, but like stuff that's uneven just like really gets on my nerves. So that's gonna be hard for me to look at. But and then the other thing, they sprayed the tub in my bathroom Monday. They told me to wait 3 days before I used it. And so the man that was in charge, he came back Wednesday, and I was like, man, I was looking at the tub and I was like, it's all uneven. You can tell they missed spots. And he was like, basically, since it's not peeling, the people that's over the house, as long as it's covered up, it's not peeling, it was fine. But he's like, he just recommend them not to use it anymore. But guess what? The men weren't even trained to even do that kind of work. So you're going to send some men to my house to do some work that they're not trained in. They did a heck-ass job at it. Fucked it up. Sorry for the language, but not really. They fucked it up. And so I get in there this morning, put the shower on, and let it run out to get my stuff ready. Get in the shower, everything's good, and I try to go to move my foot to wipe my leg or something, and sticky paint all over my feet. I was so mad. I was so pissed off. I'm like, what the world? So I told the head guy, because he came back to want to take it outside that we did, where y'all seen that the gutter was hanging in the wood. They did that too. So hopefully, there's a few more things that I need to be fixed around here too, but hopefully they'll come back. I probably end up calling them next week to report it, because I don't know if he really told them. And yeah, so basically I will not be renewing my lease with this company. I'm just fed up. I don't have time. Like when stuff is messed up, I understand like it's a business, y'all have other people and stuff should be done. But if I'm calling something in at the end of August, it should take you for October to even come out to have somebody look at it. Like, it's like pulling fucking teeth. So I'm just getting real irritated about it. And I'm just ready to be, like, I love this house, but it's time to grow on some bigger and better. So I'm still looking for a 3-bedroom, but I'm hoping to find something with a more spacious kitchen, a more spacious living room, possibly a bonus room, but I don't really have to have that. A den would be nice, but they don't have to have that either, but this is more spacious. So I will probably be starting that journey within this month, looking for another realtor company and stuff like that. It's just a lot that I'm trying to take on right now, like trying to start different stuff up. I don't want to go into too much details about it, but I'm trying to start stuff up and trying to look for work and just a little bit of everything going on. So I'm just trying to plan ahead. So that's why I haven't been posting as much. Because I'm trying to get back to posting at least a couple times a week. But I have stuff that I need to do that actually makes money. I enjoy this, but I need to focus on bringing income into the household. So this will be mainly what my focus will be. But I will still, of course, be posting every week, a couple times a week. Because because I love doing YouTube. I don't get paid for it, but I enjoy doing it, and I will continue to do it. Sometimes I might not post as much as I would like to, but I will still be posting. I still will be recording, even if I'm not posting, and then y'all will have a longer vlog or a couple vlogs of content for you all. But let me quit rambling. I need to get this pot down so I can get this chili, and I'll show y'all my little hood meal when I get done. Alright, y'all, here's my chili. Canned chili. Just a little quick snack before dinner. Chili, and of course, my cheese toast. So, right. And this is just some cheap cheese, so depending on kind of cheese, but it's always going to look a little wrinkled, but it's so good. You dip it in your toast, and then look at the back of it. You can just make regular grilled cheese if you want, but this is just like a little quick snack. I'm about to try to get Allie some of the bread and stuff, see how she like it. But, yeah, I'm about to eat this, y'all. I'm hungry. Ooh, I'm thirsty. So, y'all, I'm here cooking. My hand's so dry, but I'm just cooking a quick dinner. I'm just frying these chicken strips. I'm making those fries, and when I get done with the chicken strips first. It's 6:26. Miss Thane just woke up. I gotta do her hair after I eat. I'm gonna go ahead and do her hair. Give her a bath and stuff. Do her hair for the night. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much going on today. Same old same. Oh, that's why I'm so thirsty. I forgot I was over here drinking coffee too. But I probably will. I had coffee over here. I'll just warm it back up a little bit later. I had got dehydrated. Hey, take a water. Yep, so I ain't doing nothing cooking this stuff. I'm just checking in, trying to get a little footage for you guys. I don't know if it's gonna be a weekly, probably just a couple days, probably. It depends on how many minutes I got, depending on how much more I film. But I don't think I filmed. I think I just started this vlog today. Yeah, I did. So I'll probably carry on into tomorrow at least, if not longer. Depends on how much I get filmed tomorrow, what I got going on. So yeah, but just gonna finish frying this stuff. Like I said, we're gonna eat. I'm gonna get Ellie. I'm gonna feed her again as well. I think I was gonna feed her. Let me do that now. Cause I usually feed Ellie her baby food twice a day, but I think I'm gonna move into doing 3 times a day because she is starting. Cause y'all know, at one point she was barely drinking her milk, and she's still barely not drinking as much as kids her age, but she have started drinking more, and she ran out of milk fast. So I'm gonna start trying to feed her 3 meals instead of 2 that way she can stay full longer. But I'm trying to see. I want to feed her some vegetables because yesterday I didn't get her any vegetables. I think I gave her fruit twice. So I think I'm going to do the green beans because she has sweet potatoes and carrots recently, but she haven't had any green vegetables. So what I usually do is mix it with all her baby food. I mix it with oatmeal, as you can see. This is almost gone. I got to order some more on Amazon or Walmart. It's like they have to be shipped. But I did see the other kind in the store. We had the quinoa, but she don't use that kind. So I picked up this beech nut. So I'm just gonna leave this out because I'll be opening that soon. Because it's probably like one more. It's probably less of this. And she still has some food left, but I have to go get more. So yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, we get freshly bathed. And I'm just oiling her down. And I'm going to do something to her. I end up washing it. So I'm about to go ahead and put a few ponytails. This is my first time using the Baby Magic shampoo, and it did really well. Of course, you always have a little lint left over, but I will get that out as I'm combing it. But let me get
get it and I wanna give it. Yeah, we do it better than the competition.
Premiumbeat.com.
We do it better.
Show me what you want and I promise that you can get it, no lie. Told you I would grant you all your wishes if you me. Now you're mine. Now you're mine.
Yeah, I wanna get it and I wanna give it. Yeah, we do it better than the competition. Yeah, I wanna get it and I wanna give it. Yeah, we do it better than the competition.
Premiumbeat.com.
Yeah, I wanna give it and I wanna get it. Yeah, I wanna give it and I wanna get it.
Premiumbeat.com.
We do it better. We do it better. We do it. We do it better.
Premiumbeat.com.
We do it better.
White horse on a chariot, carried on a sick deer, think you can carry it. Hand me the reins, I'm a tame guy. Hand me the reins, I'm a tame guy. Bite down on your bit, you got better baby teeth, but you're losing them all. Said you wanna replace what you ain't got. Wanna replace what you ain't got. We're running it.
PremiumBeat.com.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So it's the morning after I showed y'all last night. Me and Heather were just having a good time dancing. And Tim as well, and then her guy came over. I didn't get all that on footage. I just showed like the last part of us hanging out. I don't want to put everybody on camera like that, but we hung out for a minute, so that was fun. We were just like celebrating celebrating life and New Year, and just our new business ventures stuff we got coming this year. Miss Ellie just woke up from her morning nap, and Lulu is ready to eat too, somewhere back there. So I'm gonna feed her. I'm gonna feed her, and to call my cousin, touch base with her, because we've been missing each other calls. I just get out the shower, as y'all can see. I still have conditioner. I'm gonna let it sit on there. I am gonna cook dinner. So I'll probably just end this one off and then start a new vlog off later when I cook, because I know some of you enjoy watching my cooking as well. So I'll do that. Yeah. So I don't know what else I was gonna say. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one off. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.